Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new gallery section in File Explorer with new options in Windows 11, build 23430. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Now, download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following commands. After executing the commands, restart Windows Explorer, or restart your PC, in order to see the changes. After restarting your PC, you should notice the new gallery section in File Explorer. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.